In 1996, California adopted the Compassionate Use Act, becoming the first state to legalize medicinal marijuana. But the Federal Controlled Substances Act continued to criminalize both medicinal and recreational marijuana. In Californians Helping to Alleviate Medical Problems, Incorporated versus Commissioner, we explore the intersection of those conflicting laws and federal tax law. Californians Helping to Alleviate Medical Problems was a nonprofit corporation operating a community center in San Francisco for members with debilitating illnesses, including cancer and acquired immune deficiency syndrome, or AIDS. The organization provided various caregiving services. For example, they offered support groups and individual counseling, distributed food and hygiene supplies, hosted social events and field trips, and facilitated other services. In addition to its caregiving services, the organization also distributed medicinal marijuana to its members, requiring each to have a doctor's letter recommending marijuana for treatment. The distribution complied with the state's Compassionate Use Act. In exchange for the organization's caregiving and medicinal marijuana services, members paid a membership fee. When the organization eventually decided to cease operations, it filed a final federal corporate income tax return. On that return, it deducted from its taxable income various expenses associated with its caregiving and medicinal marijuana operations. It believed that the expenses fell within the deduction allowed for ordinary and necessary business expenses. But the Commissioner of Internal Revenue disallowed the deductions. The Commissioner reasoned that all the expenses were incurred as part of a business of illegally trafficking a controlled substance and were therefore nondeductible. The organization challenged the Commissioner's determination in the United States Tax Court.